going forward on my becoming my higher self and raising my frequency journey and becoming more virtuous, lovability man and divine being in my power to shine the light, to be myself, to express myself. I'm going to go now, but the last thing I want to say is we are and you are, we are all divine expressions of God or source of the universe, okay? We are love, light, virtuous beings. And to get to this feeling, we just have to clean the dirt and the crap. So nature, animals, insects are pure. The young children are pure. That's why they say learn from the children, even the Bible and other scripts or any wise person, the video, whatever. We know that this is true, it's wisdom. So to become a divine adult, we just have to wash away all the BS, the bullshit, the crap, the rubbish, the dirt. It's like we can't shine a light through a really super dirty window, can we? We have to clean the dirt so the light can shine out from us. We are the light, and when we pass on and have a near-death experience, we'll know we're this light, and we'll have this near-death experience, and we will be with and be visited by some of our passed on loved ones from our family. Same with mediumship readings. I guess sometimes with psychic mediumship readings, they're really cool. They're really, really cool. Highly recommend energy healers, really heart-centered, deep, like heart-centered, well-experienced, deeply well-intentioned, wise healers or teachers like myself and others. There's so many light workers around the world now. We're stepping forth in this age. It's a special era. So yeah, get the healing, become your higher self. It's the greatest trip to become your higher self. And the journey, it's about the journey, not the destination. And what we are as expressions of source is we've come here to express ourselves, to express our humanhood and our divinity. So expression, who are you and who do you wish to be and become? They're the greatest questions I've got from the trilogy of Conversations with God by Neil Donald Walsh. Ask yourself this question: who am I and who do I wish to become? Now, today, and every day. And enjoy becoming your higher self and express your unique individuality, the super most specialist you and uniquest person of you that ever has been and ever will be. You are a divine expression of source and God, so express that into the world. Love yourself, love expressing yourself, love being yourself, love being unique, love being creative. You're a creator, we are creators. Love it, and be happy and joyful and joyous being yourself. No need to be playing small or playing big in your ego, big or small. Play your real self, be your real self. No playing, you don't have to hide yourself. You don't have to pretend to be bigger or smaller or anything like that. No games, authenticity, transparency, awesomeness, vulnerability, kick-assness. It's such a good topic. I love this topic. I love this truthfulness. I love being and living this way. And I'm only becoming and being this more and more and more as time goes on. It's the best thing ever. It's the best thing ever. Healing yourself, expanding is the best thing ever. The most happiest, fulfilling, funnest, highest experience I've ever had in my life. Easily, hands down, nothing comes close. And definitely the whole food and nature alignment supports this journey. It's not just food, it's also how much you eat. It's your relationship with food. It's when you eat. It's what you eat. Fruit's the best for sure in my opinion, but just transition into a lighter diet, a more healthy, more natural, more simple diet. Transition, take your time, but go as quick as you want to if you're inspired and ready and able. It doesn't have to be slow, but a little bit of transition usually works, but some people just jump in and do that if you feel like it. Nothing wrong with that, it's great, perfect. And other than that, all the other natural principles of nature, I've talked about them before, so I won't get into it now. But I hope you have a great day. Loads of love to you. Thank you for watching. Have the best day ever. Lots of love. Keep shining, keep being yourself, and keep cleaning your muddy windows so you can feel and be the love that you really are. It's the highest journey and trip. The happiest moments of your life are yet to come, and you're going to have the best day ever, way more often. Just a beautiful life, and you'll be fully guided and supported and loved by the higher beings and spirits and angels, and the nature beings, spirits and angels, and the leprechauns. No, and all the lovely divine elements of nature, such as the sun, the earth, the air, loving your own body and breathing, just having the best day ever, as I keep saying. Nah, maybe that's a little bit far-fetched, like I don't mean that totally literally, but just having fantastic days of love and gratitude and gracefulness and appreciation and recognition and acknowledgement and connectivity to feeling to your environment, That's how I feel these days. More and more, I'll learn and heal until the day I die. But where I'm at right now is so much further than where I used to be. And I want to encourage and inspire and support you in your journey. So if anyone would like any healing or coaching for family healing, relationship healing, personal self-healing / coaching, it's my joy, my highest pleasure and joy to help, share, and to be kind, and to love, and to support. The sun is such a gift. The trees, the birds, the sunshine, barefoot, water, all the divine creatures, and you'll be supported and gifted with synchronicities when you're on this journey too. So lots of love, my friends. Have a beautiful, warmly best and blessed day ever, and I shall talk to you another time.